yeah, that's not sciatic. I'm getting you off the table.
Try me.
Yeah, you can try. No, no, you can try.
We'll get
No,
you in a
if you
minute.
have it.
Okay?
I'm not sure if that's the one. I was sure for the other one.
Okay, let's see. What do you feel?
Really tight in here.
Okay. Do you have pain going down?
Sometimes, but not. I usually can stretch it out. That's why I think it's more the muscle piriformis or somewhere in there.
Okay. I really think you, but I'm gonna do some on you.
I think she would be a great candidate.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
gonna-
get,
Huh?
let's get someone that really needs it.
Okay, Hayne, I think you need to be up here,
Yeah.
actually. You're not too bad. But,
I can work on mine. So.
well, we'll
And I can
get
have
it,
my
but I
walk. Yeah.
think,
No, but someone that really.
sorry.
Oh,
Which side?
today, yours day, either.
Okay,
She's been waiting
Okay.
patiently for her turn.
so just relax. All right, what do you see right off here with her?
She's kind of laying, like her body's slanted a little
Mm-hmm.
bit.
And that is important, all right? Seeing how somebody is laying, usually we'll see she's laying here and then she kind of goes out,
Mm-hmm.
right? So automatically that, just the way she's laying is gonna cause stress up in here. And she has stress anyway. So one of the first things you can do is move her. That feels weird, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, because she's more used to really going like.
How can she straighten?
I love it. She wants to lay like this, right? She wants this curve because this is normal. Whatever's going on up in here is normal for her. She's not comfortable laying straight. All right, so we're gonna leave her like that. And you saw earlier this morning with stuff going on here. So I'm gonna work on this side, all right? So I'm gonna show you what to do. So with this, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, this is how, now, if you remember earlier, she said she likes to lay like this, right? I'm gonna show you an easy way to find the spot to work on. If you just go up like this, you're gonna fall. Your relaxed hands, relaxed fingers. You're gonna fall right in the spot.
Yeah, you can see the crease.
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay, but your fingers, in order to go up, you have to pass this, but you're gonna fall right in here. Now I'm just gonna sink in a little bit. Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
How's that feel?
Like someone is pinching.
Okay, but you're gonna go right in, and I'm gonna go up a little more, and right in here is where I really want to be. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you go up, you're gonna go in, and you're gonna go right on this point in here. This is that one trigger point right there, trigger point 2 up in there. Okay? Now, do you guys want to come feel this first before we do anything? Go feel.
So
fingers relaxed. Relax the tips, okay. Right there,
Yeah,
feel it?
yeah.
Okay. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
Feel how you just kind of sink in?
Mm-hmm.
Your fingers have to be relaxed, but the tips have to be a little curved so they're going to sink in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Easy way to find it.
No, I actually can see it from here.
Yeah.
So you put pressure when you're massaging their sciatic nerve. You put pressure.
Is it hurtful?
Right there.
What I'm doing right now?
You don't have to put a lot of
It's
pressure.
probably
No
that's
pressure?
the
Okay.
trigger point, that's why.
I'll show you, yeah. Easy? Right there. You feel that, Seb? Yeah. Nope, too deep, too much. Right here. Feel it? Okay. Robert, you wanna go?
Huh? Go. Right there.
Okay.
Right. Here.
Thank you.
No, keep going. Relax your hands down. Now come up. There, feel it? Right here.
Yeah.
You wanna try, hon?
Yes.
Yeah, right in here. Okay,
Yeah, you could tell he had it. She went,
right? Okay, now, also, where does the piriformis originate?
Anterior.
Anterior
Sacrum.
sacrum, okay? Anterior sacrum. So if the piriformis is tight, what are you expecting that anterior sacrum to feel like, to be like?
it's not gonna move much.
Not gonna move. So you can begin by finding the edges of the sacrum, right? And you can start doing a rocking back and forth. Now, if you notice, I'm not using my arms, I'm using my body. I'm leaning forward, and then I'm leaning back.
Almost like a rocking motion.
Yeah. How's that feel?
Feels good.
It's going to feel good, guys. Most people's sacrums don't move a lot. You're not going to get a lot of movement. If you just start by doing a little bit of rocking back and forth. You're beginning to loosen up that piriformis without doing anything. Now, the actual movement of the sacrum is this way. So you have to be really careful, right? You've got the coccyx in here. But to move back and forth, now this way, and I'm just going to go from one foot to the other. There's no pressure. And simply by doing this first, you're going to start releasing the sacrum. Okay. So now going back, and let's bring her out again. Now, if you want, you can have her scoot over a little bit, where her knee, there, where her knee is more on the table if you need to. Now, again, find it. My hands go right there. Easy. If you've got a choice of fingers, thumbs, or elbow, which is more comfortable to use? Fingers, thumbs, or elbow, which is more comfortable? What'd you say?
Elbow.
Elbow, why?
Because you're not having the pressure here and you just kind of use leverage.
Bigger square footage,
Big contact.
okay? But guess what?
Contact.
There's no pressure,
No pressure.
okay? I'm gonna support myself here, and I'm actually going to use here, but I'm gonna be real specific. Right here, that's it. I have no pressure, the pressure's here.